Do you see how this mama is crying? The woman is crying because all the cassava where she planted in her farm, Fulanis has destroyed it. She is crying because no one to help. Do you see the kind of country that we are living into? Do you see what is happening in this country called Nigeria? Who will help the poor people? Upon we are complaining that hardship. When the poor people will plant something in their farm, Fulanis will come and destroy it. If you fight their cow, government will fire you. If you fight them, government will destroy you. But I say it that God Almighty that created heaven and earth we judge all these Nigerian politicians that are putting us in this situation that we are into.
Hello, Sorom Neteo. Here, Kwajak last year, November. This November, next month, Anagabu 1 year. Lay Nama made Nama Biata, Taya Hana, who can have a madama. I just Lakataja name you, we name a bebolo way now. Awara Jackbo 7. Lay Hendena Mamedi. George Kamotu Jackbo no Ziozo. Namagel Lakota Liu. Name a bebugo way now. Ever. Go no let it go. Yana man the member the Lobodwe. Mado Tabwa to Fubuego, Subwala, Mebo Lile. Namaga Heponia go with Tenya. Namage maybe see Jackbo. What could not fool? And a way who not Nama. Oh, Mama, Hale me. Camufuja dozen a jackpot. Awara 7 low. Hatagide, tak boy, had Jabala, Beko, Fuabal. You go. Jack for the bar, Mahodo. Hatakota, and where Jack would deserve also. I like to get put down what I say, how we bring at that. Hey, video too. Now, not but I give you the hell to lock but I give one day. I like to day. I like to another first. Lock but I give one day. I like to get there. Let me get her. One more, yeah. Let it know what. No man got the key there. I let Nama Lanya. Here, I don't get it. Don't me. Young American Skalakat. Young Deme. Now, wow. Now, wow. Nah, and I was up a Quaracao. Awara Jackbo 7. Awara 7. Awara 7. Awara 7. Aha kete. I may go let you wake call. I may go let you wake call. Do to us she may here, Madame Maggie. Ali hote na trena maha. Kahana vola.
aga m akọwanwu jakpa okporo aha kete ha jọsọ vụọ ihe niile from A to Z site n'isi ruo na ngwụcha onwe ebe jakpa dị ha lachichabụo jakpa ahụ n'igwe unu na-eletekwe o unu na-eletekwe o igwe otu jakpa ha bụkọta jakpụ niile ebe niile kilie onye ọbịa ya chịwa ọchị maọbụ onye ọbịa ya obi ga-adị ya mma na ego ole ji wee ka ọ jakpa unu na-elekwe jakpa okporo aha kete ebuchi ibu ha jọsụ ule ajịkọta jakpa nliwe onwe nke ha tafọrọ nna anawa o bụrụkwa obere ihe o mmadụ aga makwa ihe ọ ga-eme eme na ma jọsụ gbuo mmadụ egbuo ebe ahụ nne m ebegbugo onwe ya n'akwa yere akwa na ha eme ihe ha ma egola tụhụrụ ebe a n'ọkọchị ike mmadụ kegidere ego ọgwụ ahịa gbaa ya ma bịa sụwa na ma egola tụfuru kịta na aka ma ofu jakpa dị hoy na ma gị takọta dị jakpụ ọhaneze unu lerekwe o unu nakwa echi.
Do you see what is happening in Nigeria? And this mama has lose millions of naira. This mama spend money to planted cassava in his farm. Now, he planted this cassava last year, November, and he want to take it, he want to go do harvest in that farm, which is this year. He planted this in the year November 2023. This year, November year 2024. The woman is about to go and harvest what he planted last year. And look at what Fulani's herdsmen have did in her farm. Destroyed millions. What millions of naira? Do you see what is happening in Nigeria? And when the youth of that village will rise up now to fight these Fulani's, government will start fighting them. Government will start backing them. But government will not rise up to stop these people by destroying people's farm. We know how condition Nigeria into right now. To buy food, to buy everything don't cost. Now, poor people will plant something in their farm. These Fulani's will come and destroy it. They are disturbing all the tribes in Nigeria, both in Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Niger Delta, Benue State, everywhere in Nigeria. These people, Fulani's, are terrorizing this country. But Nigeria government are keeping quiet because they are involved. They are in support of this. I pray that God will help us in this country called Nigeria.